Is there a toy in there too, dangling? Oh, okay. He's got his head in there. He's got his head in there. You'll get stuck.
Cut a bigger hole. There he goes. You can't get it? Go. Your head's too big now, Piglet. Ooh.
Yeah.
She wants this. I think he got it. Oh, he did get it. He's licking it.
Go see.
Here's my Piglet. Ow, that's my hand. Are you loaded now, huh?
There's just a few execution errors. I mean, we have split hairs here, but the awareness that you're bringing, that carrying, looks like any.
That's right. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. It's amazing. It's unfortunate I don't get to move on, but this is what happens when you different. And I've seen it too many times. It's bittersweet because I was able to bring awareness to something that's really, really important to me.